Hello, welcome you all for this wonderful session. Now we move on to cryptography and network security, chapter 2. So there are two types of encryption, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses two or more keys, that is public and private keys. Asymmetric uses shared secret key. So symmetric encryption, also known as conventional or private key encryption or single key encryption. So in this symmetric encryption, sender and recipient share a common key. So this is used for earlier days, that is invention of public keys in 1970s and by far most widely used. So some basic terminologies. So plain text means that the original message, ciphertext means that the coded message. So cipher algorithm for transforming plain text to ciphertext. Key is used for cipher only known to the sender or receiver. So cipher encryption means converting the plain text to the ciphertext, and decryption means again converting the ciphertext to the plain text. So cryptography is the study of these encryption principles and methods. So cryptanalysis is the study of principal methods of deciphering ciphertext without knowing key. So cryptology is the study of field of both cryptography and cryptanalysis. So this is the symmetric cipher model. Plain text is the input. By applying the encryption algorithm, the transmitted ciphertext will be sent to the receiver side. By applying the decryption algorithm, the receiver can get the plain text again. So requirements, two requirements: strong encryption algorithm and secret known key to be sender or receiver. So mathematically we have represents y encryption of x with the key value k and x decryption of y with the key value k. So assume encryption algorithm is known implies a secure channel to distribute key. So cryptography, characterize cryptographic system by type of encryption operations used. Then we can use more number of substitution and transposition techniques for single or private, public and private keys, and in a way in which plain text is proposed based on block or stream. Cryptanalysis, objective is to recover key, not just message. General approaches are cryptanalytic attack and brute force attack. So cryptanalytic attack, known plain text, ciphertext only, chosen plain text, chosen ciphertext and chosen text. This is the model for symmetric crypto system. So message source X is sent to the encryption algorithm. By the key source secure channel, the decryption algorithm will be applied, and by X the destination will be reached. From the encryption algorithm, the cryptanalyst X and key value will be equivalent to the Y value for encryption. So unconditionally secure and computationally secure. So brute force, always possible to simple try every key, most basic attack. So keys based on the key size, number of alternative keys, time required decryption, time required for encryption. So this is the 5-bit guessing brute force attacks possibilities. So plain text found at the third attack, third key value 3. So classical substitution ciphers, these are all the types: Caesar cipher, mono alphabetic cipher, Playfair cipher, Hill cipher, polyalphabetic cipher and one-time pad. Caesar cipher, so earliest known substitution cipher technique. So replaces each letter by third letter on the example. So for M, NOP, for E, FGH, and for T, STW. Caesar cipher. So Caesar cipher, for each numbers letters in alphabet A to Z, the numerical number will be allotted. For A 0, B1, C2, D3, like that. For Z 25. For substituting these numbers to the plain text, the ciphertext will be get. So this is the formula for Caesar cipher: encryption algorithm P plus K mod 26, decryption algorithm C minus K mod 26 with the key value K equal to 3. This is the example. And cryptanalysis Caesar cipher could simply try each turn in a brute force attack, only having 26 possible ciphers. So limitation, there are only 25 keys to try, that is the main drawback. Mono alphabetic cipher, rather than just shifting the alphabet, jumble the letters arbitrarily. Each plain text letter maps to a different random ciphertext letter. Hence key is 26 letters long. Mapping from plain alphabet to the ciphertext is used per message. Eliminates the brute force attack. This is the example. These are the possibilities. So then samples. Play for cipher. So play for cipher uses 5 cross 5 matrix. So monarchy is the keyword. Plain text will be placed accordingly. Then the ciphertext will be used for applying the steps below. For example, balloon means if a pair is repeated letter, insert filter like X. If both letters fall in the same row, replace each with letter to right. If both letters fall in the same column, replace each with letter with the below. Otherwise, each letter is replaced by the letter in the same row and same column. This is the formula used for play for cipher. And this is the activity problem. Thank you. Remaining we will see in the next class.